Today, we're diving into the specifications and capabilities of the FAT Satellite INTL Direct Burial RG-6 coaxial cable. Designed for durability and performance, this cable features an 18 AWG solid core wrapped in a tri-shield 77% braided design with a dual-layer 100% foil shield. It's engineered to maintain a 75 ohm impedance across frequencies, making it ideal for high-definition over-the-air antennas, DirecTV dish network setups, and various satellite and digital CATV systems. What sets this cable apart is its direct burial capability, protected by gel-coated braids that shield the core from moisture, condensation, and soil acidity. This ensures longevity and reliability, especially in outdoor and underground installations. The RG-6 standard ensures superior performance compared to RG-59, supporting high-frequency and analog applications with minimal signal loss. For users seeking versatility, this cable is also compatible with cable modem internet, HD digital cable TV, and even cellular boost antenna systems. Its robust PVC jacket adds further protection against environmental factors, making it suitable for both residential and commercial applications. Whether you're setting up a home entertainment network, enhancing your security and surveillance systems, or optimizing your amateur radio setup, the FAT Satellite INTL RG-6 coaxial cable delivers on its promise of quality and performance. It's UL/ETL rated, ensuring it meets industry standards for safety and reliability. For those considering an upgrade or installation of outdoor audio-video systems, this cable proves to be a dependable choice, offering excellent signal transfer efficiency and durability. Available through FAT Satellite INTL, it's a worthy investment for anyone serious about maximizing their audio and video capabilities.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.